Beth, Coach, it's a pleasure to be with you guys here on the field from up close, just watching Coach Vance Joseph from here. You watch him now on the screen. This diversity in his background is helping him a lot tonight. Quarterback at Colorado, defensive back in the NFL, and here he is having the time of his life.
A former British serviceman, Leslie Binns, turned around to save a woman who'd collapsed while she was on her trek. But he's now attempting to scale the world's highest mountain again. He's going back and joins us now in the studio ahead of his next mission. Good morning.
I think you have the wrong guest, sir.
You are Todd Landman, aren't you? Do you know, it's ever so funny.
You look so heroic.
I looked at this man, I thought, he doesn't necessarily look like a mountaineer.
I think our mountaineer is that man behind us.
That's the one.
Are you open?
Okay, ready?
By the way, we're also doing this.
Who's doing yours? Where's yours?
Don't take your contacts out after you do it.
Ernie Bjorkman's doing it.
Oh, jeez.
Here we go.
Really? It's not a tiny bite challenge.
Oh,
it's the
my
one
goodness.
chip challenge.
What's wrong?
Just stick that whole thing in there.
hot.
Come on, eat the rest of the chip, Ernie.
No, it's too
Do we
hot.
lick your feet? Oh.
Oh, come on, you guys are overreacting. Did you eat the whole chip?
Yeah, I had the whole chip. That's why it's called a chip challenge.
Oh.
You look fine.
I've got
Totally
hiccups
fine.
now. I get hiccups when I eat something hot. I
That's not
can't.
bad.
I gotta go home.
Here's the good thing. There's only 10
Oh,
calories.
Natalie's losing her breath. Oh, Natalie threw up. Ooh, this is going very poorly, folks.
Oh, God.
Oh, I like. You all right there, buddy? You okay? You need some water?
You're
Maybe
not
some
going
milk?
to win.
No sweat.
Oh, God. I swallowed the rest of it.
There is milk here. Can we get a close up on his eyes?
Oh, my God.
I should also say, to be fair, Jim.
Did you eat this? Oh, my God,
Yes.
you did.
I'm Ethiopian. My family is African. So I've been eating hot sauce since I was a baby.
This isn't affecting you.
Did you see the dirty look he just gave me? Jim, it's okay. You can just give up now and drink some milk. You're literally sweating, Jim.
You stop talking.
Okay. Can we get a medic in here for Jim?
My lips are on fire. This is not affecting you at all?
At first, initially, oh yeah, like my nose was like a little runny. But I'm okay now. You look good though, Jim. Sort of glistening, basking, shimmering. All right. So can you just say that I won?
You didn't win.
He didn't drink the milk,
Have a
but
guess.
I clearly won.
Why?
You let us know what you think.
No. Oh, my God, I think I'm having a heart attack. All right, I can't. I'm going to... Oh, my God, I think I'm doing damage to my digestive system.
It's fine.
A sticky situation at an airport in Tennessee after baggage was sprayed with raw sewage.
Sprayed?
I know. Well,
Soil is one of those words. There's just no way to say it. It just
No.
sounds like